We're here in the Centreville Mobile Home Park in Centreville, Michigan. This is a property we've had for about 3.5 months now. It's a very large infill project. As you can see behind me, there's some new homes that have arrived. We had a total of 36 vacant lots to fill. To this point, we've brought in 32 homes. 18 of those are new homes, and the others are used homes. And we've got 4 more left to go, with 2 of them coming next week and the final 2 shortly after that. Right now, all of them are in various stages of installation. Many of them have been blocked and tied down, and we're working on hooking up utilities right now. We're also getting driveways, culverts, and decks installed right now. We are rehabbing the used homes, just doing some overall beautification to the community. All right, here we are in front of one of our used homes that we've brought into the park. It just got installed a couple days ago. It's been blocked and tied down, and utilities are about to be hooked up, and here in a couple weeks it'll be ready for sale. In all, we are bringing in 18 used homes into this community. Here we are in front of the installation equipment. This cool piece of machinery is a platypus, which drops down and slides under the frame of a home sideways, so you can pick the whole home up, takes the axles off, and then put the blocks on underneath. The process for bringing in a used home is fairly elaborate. You first have to spend the time to find the homes, then purchase them, have a transporter tear them down from their current location, and then transport it into the property. And then, as you can see, this one has been blocked and tied down. And then after that, you hook up the utilities, put on the skirting, build the decks, rehab the inside if needed, and then get your certificate of occupancy, and then you can sell it to an end buyer. Shortly after closing, we did an enormous amount of tree work in this park. The whole place was covered in trees. We removed a bunch of them and we trimmed a bunch of them. As you can see, the 2 that I'm standing between had to be trimmed up pretty tall just to get that home onto that lot. And doing tree work is very important to reduce liability and not cause any damage to homes during severe weather.